Good afternoon, everyone. I am Hashan Nanayaka. Today I thought of doing the lesson Indices part 2. First of all, we will recall and remember what we have done in the previous sessions on indices. So let's start some review exercises. Number 1. Complete the table. Complete the table. Okay, I am going to give you a table now. Number and powers. Okay, numbers and powers like this. I will teach you how to complete this table. Okay, our first number is 2. Okay, and we want to find the powers of this. Okay, this is our first figure. Okay. Our first number is 2. Okay, I want to find the 2 to the power 1 here. This means within brackets we have to write this number. So number is 2. This is, if this is 2, okay, if this is 2, 2 to the power 1 means 2. If it is 2 to the power 2 means 2 times 2. 2 to the power 2 means 2 times 2. What is the answer? 2 times 2 is 4. Next is 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 means you have to multiply 2 by itself 3 times. So that will be 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2 is 8. I gave you this table during the previous session on indices. So you should be in a position to recall and remember these values. Okay. Suppose a sum like this for an example. Okay, 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means you have to multiply 2 by itself 4 times. We know 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 times 2 is 2 to the power 16. Same as 2 to the power 5 means you have to multiply another 2 to 2 to the power 4. That means 16 times 2 means 32. 2 to the power 6 means multiply another 2 by 2 to the power 5. 32 times 2 means 64. So far, I think up to here, I taught you the powers of 2. There are some more powers given. 2 to the power 5 means 64. 2 to the power 7 means 64 times 4. So sorry, 64 times 2. So it will be 128. Okay. Same as if we multiply 128 by 2, we will get 256. Check and see. And 256 by 2 means 512. 512 by 2 means 2 to the power 10 means 1024. Check and see. Our next value is, next number is 3. Okay. Okay, so our next number is 3. And we want to find the powers of 3. First is 3 to the power 1. 3 to the power 1 means 1, 3. There's nothing to do. 3 to the power 1 means 3 itself. 1, 3 only. 3 to the power 2 means you have to multiply that 3 by another 3. 3 to the power 2 means 3 itself by another 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 to the power 1 means 1, 3. 3 to the power 2 means 3 has to be multiplied by another 3. 3 to the power 3 means you have to multiply 3 to the power 2 by another 3. So 9 times 3 is 27. Then 3 to the power 4 means you have to multiply 27 by 3. If you multiply 27 by 3, you will get 81. Check and see. Next is 81 times 3 or 3 to the power 5. Okay, 81 times 3. So far 3 to the power 1 means 3, 3 to the power 2 or 3 squared means 9, 3 to the power 3 means 9 times 3, 27, 3 to the power 4 means 27 times 3, 81. Next is 3 to the power 5. If we multiply 81 by 3, it will be 243. Check and see. Okay, 243. And if we multiply 243 by 3, we get 3 to the power 6, which is equal to 729. Okay. Next is 3 to the power 7. 3 to the power 7 means 3 to the power 6 times 3. That means 729 by 3. Let us check and see. 3 times 9 is 27. Okay. 3 times 2 is 6, 6 and 2, 8. 3 times 7 means 21. Okay, so it will be 2187. It should be 3 times 9, 27, 2, 3 times 2, 6 and 2, 8, 3 times 7, 21. So it is 2187. Next is 3 to the power 8. 3 to the power 8 means we have to multiply 3 to the power 7 from 3. So it will be 2187 by 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24 and 2, 26. 3 times 1, 3 and 2, 5. 3 times 2, 6. So it will be 6561. Okay. 27, 81. Okay, these are the answers. Okay, our next number is 4. So 4 to the power 1 means 4. 4 to the power 2 means 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. 4 to the power 3 means 16 times 4. 16 times 4 means 64. Check and see. 4 to the power 4 means you have to multiply 64 by 4. 64 by 4 means you have to check and see. What is that? Check and see. I think it is 256. Not think, I know that it is 256. Okay. To find 2 to the power 5, we have to multiply 256 by 4. So it will be 1024. Our next number is 5. Okay. 5 to the power 1 means 5. 5 to the power 2 or 5 squared means 25. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 to the power 3 means you have to multiply 25 by 5. If you multiply 25 by 5, you get 125. Okay, check and see. Then 2 to the power 4 means you have to multiply 125 by 5. That means 5 to the power 3 times 5. So 125 by 5 means 625. Then we have to get 5 to the power 5. 5 to the power 5 means 5 to the power 4 times 5. And we know 5 to the power 4, which is 625. So we have to multiply 625 by 5. 5 times 5, 25. 2 is the remainder. 5 times 2, 10, and 2, 12. 1 can be carried over. 5 times 6, 30, and 1, 31. So this will be 3125. Okay, same as, what about the powers of 6? Okay, 6 to the power 1 means 6 itself. 6 squared or 6 to the power 2 means 6 times 6, which is equal to 36. 6 to the power 3 means you have to multiply 36 by 6. Hence it will be 260. Then finally we have to multiply 216 by 6. 6 times 6, 36, 3 is can be carried over. 6 times 1, 6 and 3, 9, 6 times 2, 12, 1296. 6 times 6, 36, 3, 6 times 1, 6 and 3, 9. So it will be 1296. Our next number is 7. 7 to the power 1 means 7. 7 to the power 2 means 7 times 7, 49. 7 to the power 3 means 7 times 7 times 7, no, 49 times 7. That is 7 times 9, 360, times 4, 343. Times 7 times 3. Okay, and finally 7 to the power 4. To find 7 to the power 4, we have to multiply 343 by 7. 7 times 3, 21, 2 can be carried over. 7 times 4, 28 and 2, 30. 7 times 3, 21 and 3, 24. So it is 2401. Okay, next figure of ours. 8. Next figure is 8. Okay, and we want to check up to 8 to the power 3. Okay, 8. 8 to the power 1 means 8. 8 to the power 2 means 8 times 8, which is equal to 64. 8 to the power 3 means 8 times 8 times 8, or 64 times 8. 64 times 8 means 512, I think. 8 times 4 is 33. 8 times 40. Yes. Next is 9. 9 also enough to find up to 9 to the power 3. 9 to the power 1 means 9. 9 to the power 2 means 9 times 9, 81. 9 to the power 3 means, okay, 9 to the power 3 means 81 times 9. If you multiply 81 by 9, you will get 729. And finally 10. Okay, 10 to the power 1 means 10. 10 to the power 2 means you have to add 2 zeros after 1. 10 to the power 3 means you have to add 3 zeros after 1. 10 to the power 4 means you have to add 4 zeros after 1. Okay, keep this in mind. And it's here we can say 10 to the power 1 means 10. 10 to the power 2 means 10 times 10, 100. 10 to the power 3 means 10 by itself 3 times. So 10 times 10, 100. 100 times 10, 1000. 10 to the power 4 means 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. 10 times 10, 100. 100 times 10,000, and 1000 by the last 10, 10,000. Okay, keep it in mind. Okay. Okay, I am going to do the second question now. Okay, hope you can understand the table. I know I am little quicker because I am running out of time. If you have doubts, please write down it on comments section. Okay, second question. Second question. Find the values of each of the following. Find the values of each of the following. Our first question is 10 to the power 12. Okay, 10 to the power 12 means 12 tens multiplied by each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. I am going to break it into 10 to the power 10 and 10 to the power 2. 1 after brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10th 2 I am going to close the brackets. Then there is a multiplication sign. After that I am again opening the brackets and here I am closing the bracket. There are how many 2's inside the first bracket? 10 2's. So I am going to write it as 2 to the power 10. There are times here and 2 2's means 2 to the power 2. Okay, 2 to the power 10 means we found a value. 1024 from the tables you can check. Times 2 to the power 2 means what? 2 times 2? 4. Okay, again we have to find the value of 2 to the power 12. So I expand it like this. And there are 12 2's and I break it into two parts. First I kept first two tens into one bracket and last two 2's in the second bracket. So first two tens means 2 to the power 10 times, second two 2's means 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 10 we found 1024, check the tables, then check the previous table, then next is 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 means 4. So 2 to the power means 10 means 1024, 2 to the power 2 means 4. So the answer here is 4 times 4 16, 4 times 2 8 and 1 9. So it will be 4096. Check and see. Okay, if it is too much, I am going to find the value in another way. Here I am going to break like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 2's I close the bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there is another multiplication. After that I am going to open the second bracket. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 bracket 2, I close the second bracket 2. Now here there are 6 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can write this as 2 to the power 6. And times here, then there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 2 to the power 6. We know 2 to the power 5 is 32. Okay, check and see. Okay, general knowledge. I taught you that when you were in grade 7. Okay, 2 to the power 5 means 32, 2 to the power 6 means 64. Same as here, 2 to the power 6 means 64. Now we can multiply 64 by 64. 2 to the power 5 means 32, 32 times 2 means 64. Same as 2 to the power 6 means 32 times 2, 64. Now we can find the value here, final value. 4 times 4, 16. 1 can be carried over. 4 times 6, 24 and 1, 25. Then 6 times 4 means 24. 2 can be carried over. 6 times 6 means 36 and 2, 38. So 6, 5 and 4, 9, 8 and 2, 10. These 4, same value we get with that method as well. Okay, first I expand it into 12 2's, then I break into two products. Firstly for the product of first two 6's, then the product of second two 6's. So we have to multiply two 6's by each other. That means two 6's by each other means 2 to the power 6. same as the second bracket, 2 to the power 6. So we get 64 and 64, hence it is 4096. Check and see table. Our next question is 12 to the power 3. 12 to the power 3 means 12 times 12 times 12. When we expand 12 to the power 3, it is 12 times 12 times 12. 12 times 12 means 144 times, that's another 12. Now we have to find 12 to the power 3 like this. So 144 times 12 means 12 times 4, 48. 4 is here, 12 times 4, 48, 4. 52, 5, 12 times 1, 70. Again check 12 times 4, 48, 4, 12 times 4, 48 and 4, 52, 5. 12 times 1, 12 and 5, 70. Answer is 1728. Fourth question. 11 to the power 3. 11 to the power 3. That means 11 times 11 times 11. 11 times 11 means 121 times 11. Okay. So 11 times 121 times 11 means 11 times 1 11. 11 times 2 22 and 1 23. 11 times 1 11 and 2 30. 11 times 1 11. 1 carried over to the next column. 11 times 2 22 and 1 23. 2 carried over. 11 plus 1 11 and 2 30. So answer is 1331. Next question. Okay, next question is 20 to the power 2. 20 to the power 2 means 20 times 20. 20 times 20 means 400. Let me check. 0 here, 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 2, 400. Or we can say 20 times 20. 0 I kept here, 2 times 0, 0, 400. Answer is 400. Okay. When we multiply by tens, we have to keep an extra 0 in the units column. Then the number front 0, we have to multiply the other number by the value front of 0. That means 2. That's how we multiply by tens. Tens means 10, 20, 30, 40 likewise. Okay, I'll do the third question in the next clip.